And now we're going to just continue editing and cleaning up our elevational views. So what I am going to do is I'm going to open up my east elevation, and then I'm going to say close hidden windows. That'll close up all the other windows, including that sheet view. Now I'm going to go north, south, west. Okay, I'm going to pull this over to make lots of room, and now I'm going to say tile, just so I can kind of use all of my elevational views at once over here. So I'm going to go into each one and kind of tidy up. So I've copied and pasted the grade line over. So what I'm going to do is take the siding note and the roofing note, and again, we could use keynotes that actually are communicating with the materials. In this case, this is just kind of unintelligent text. Control C on the keyboard, click over to here, and Control V to place that. Click over here, Control V, place another one over there, Control V, place another one. And I mean, this might be overkill, you know, by doing this in every view, but for the most part we can just grab these guys as an example. You know, put your text wherever you want. Escape, escape, tab to grab that piece of text, shift, nudge to move it over, grab this one, shift, shift, nudge, oops, move that guy into place. And that's a little bit of information. Now, do we want to continue putting that height, you know, these height dimensions everywhere? You know, we have them in one place. We don't have to. Let's click in here, and maybe in the elevation views, I don't want to see the section bubbles. So in this view, I'm going to click on here, and I think I'll turn it off using visibility graphics. So I'll type VV on the keyboard, and I'll go into annotations and click down in here and type an S, go down and turn off the section markers. And I'm going to do the same thing in this view over here. VV on the keyboard, annotation objects, type in an S, and go down and turn section marks off, so I don't see those. Okay, maybe I want to add some dimensions in the grid lines. Annotate, aligned, dimension from here to here, and again, click nothing to place it. These guys have their dimensions. Click over to here. You can notice you can switch views and still stay in your dimension command. It's really nice. Okay, so we can go and play with the configuration and slope of this roof and the height of this little soffit and everything, you know, and as much as we want. And we can add in, you know, more dimensions as we please, from grid line up, from level lines, etc., going back and forth. But, you know, for the most part, we've got our window and our walls and all that located in plan. Oh, we probably want to put an overhang dimension on here. So let's go back and do a dimension from here to the grid line, or to the now you see the grid line goes actually in inside the wall to the core. So 16.5-inch overhang there, and I wonder if it's like that on all sides. I'm going to go tab. I just want it to be 1'6", just to the outside of the siding. Escape, escape. I'm going to click on this dimension, zoom in, and then I'm going to go tab to grab that outside face. Still not right. Tab. There we go. Sorry about that. 1'6". I'm just using my tab button to relocate those dimensions. So we have that overhang on there. We probably want to show it as well on here just for the fun of it. Dimension from tab here to there. Same problem. It's going to the core. Need to pull this out. Grab that line and use my tab button, relocate that to a different face, tab, tab, there we go. And the same thing over here. See, I'm dimensioning to that grid line, and that's not where I want to dimension to. I want to go from here, tab, there, to here, 1'6". And that's because of our siding that overhangs the grid line and the sheathing. Okay. And maybe we want to put a light on the wall or something over here, and we want to play with the roof stuff. We'll dress these up a little bit later. We just kind of want to get them annotated and looking good on our sheet. So let's go down to our sheet, which still needs to be renamed. Let's maximize that view. Okay. Let's go in and tidy up on our sheet a little bit by picking on this marker, and the actual marker, not the view, and nudge that over a little bit. This one looks okay. Just kind of cleaning up our views. Grab this guy. Shift again gives you a bigger nudge. Okay, we're going to add some material to that roof, so it kind of gives us a bit of a shake effect. Okay, so there's our 4 elevations, more or less working, and we could probably line these guys up horizontally, might look a little better. Bring this one down. Okay, so there's our elevations annotated and cleaned up on our sheet.